Welcome investors! Today we will be talking about Kinross Gold. What will you find in this video? 1. Company overview and company mining facilities. 2. Company financial statement. 3. My holdings of Kinross Gold. And 4. Market timing and time to sell gold stocks. So if you like this video, please hit the thumb up, subscribe to the channel because it took me a lot of work to do it. Kinross Gold Corporation is a Canadian-based gold and silver mining company founded in 1993 and headquartered in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Kinross currently operates 8 active gold mines and was ranked number 4 in top 10 gold mining companies in 2017. The company's mines are located in Brazil, Ghana, Mauritania, Russia, and United States. Company trades under the KGC ticker in New York Stock Exchange and under K in Toronto Stock Exchange. Kinross Gold Corporation was founded in 1993 following the merger of 3 companies: Plexus Resources Corporation, CMP Resources, and numbered company 1021105 Ontario Corporation, resulting in a new company owning a stake and royalties in a mining property in a Fallon, Nevada, and QR mine in British Columbia. Numbered company is basically the number assigned to the company when registered and then used as a name of the company. On June 1st, 1993, Kinross was listed on Toronto Stock Exchange and Nasdaq. Then on New York Stock Exchange in 1994. Kinross' first project, now operated by its subsidiary Fairbanks Gold Mining, was the Fort Knox Gold Mine, an open-pit mining operation in Alaska. The area, including surrounding deposits, was first discovered as early as in 1913, but no mining took place until 1996. Let's talk about mining operations of Kinross Gold. Kinross operates in 3 regions: Americas, West Africa, and Russia. Global results for 2019 are 2.5 million ounces of gold production, cost of sale $706, all sustaining costs $983. 56% of production came from America's facilities. 23 productions came from West Africa's facilities, and 21% of productions came from Russia. America's operations production in 2019 are 4.41 million ounces of gold at the cost of sale $745. America's operations are 1. Fort Knox, Alaska, USA. 2. Round Mountain, Nevada, USA. 3. Bald Mountain, Nevada, USA. 4. Paracatu, Brazil, South America. Fort Knox is an open-pit gold mine located near the city of Fairbanks, Alaska. It is mined by conventional open-pit methods, with ore processed at the mill. The mill has capacity of up to 45,000 tons per day. In October 2019, Fort Knox's safety performance was recognized by the U.S. National Mining Association, as the mine received the prestigious Centennials of Safety Award in a large metal mine group for achieving 1.5 million hours without a lost time injury. As you can see, Kinross is taking safety very seriously. Some statistics: ownership 100% Kinross, mining open pit, location 42 kilometers northeast of city of Fairbanks, Alaska. Processing, it's a milling, gravity, chip leach. Expected life of mine until 2030. 2019 gold equivalent production was 200,263 ounces of gold. 2019 proven and probable reserves 2.8 million ounces of gold. 2019 cost of sale was $1,067 per ounce of gold. Round Mountain is an open pit mine located in Nevada, one of the best mining jurisdictions in the world. Round Mountain uses conventional open pit mining methods and process ore by the mill and chip leach. Chip leach is a process of extracting ore by using certain chemicals. It is a more complicated process, but for simplicity, let's leave it like it is. In January 2016, Kinross acquired 50% of the Round Mountain it did not already own from the Barrick Gold, consolidating ownership of one of the Kinross' best run and established mines. The company continues to advance promising initiatives to optimize the operation and potentially extend estimated mine life. Kinross began operating the mine in 2003, and it has since become a continuous improvement leader in the company's portfolio. Round Mountain poured its 15 million ounces of gold in 2018. Some statistics: ownership 100% Kinross. Mining type is open pit. Location Nevada, USA. Processing chip leach, mining, gravity. Expected life of mine until 2027. 2019 gold equivalent production was 361,664 ounces of gold. 2019 cost of sale was $695 per ounce of gold. 2019 proven and probable reserves of gold 2.4 million ounces of gold. Bald Mountain is an open pit mine with a large estimated mineral resources base located in Nevada along the southern extension on prolific Carlin Trend, and was acquired by Kinross in January 2016. In October 2018, Kinross acquired the remaining 50% of Bald Mountain joint venture zone from Barrick Gold to consolidate ownership. The company now owns 100% of the Bald Mountain property, the largest private mining land package in US. Some statistics: ownership 100% Kinross. Mining type, it's open pit. Location Nevada, USA. Processing chip leach. 2019 gold equivalent production was 100,087 and 961 ounces of gold. 2019 cost of sale was $768 per ounce. 2019 proven and probable reserves were 1.2 million ounces of gold. Paracatu is a long-life cornerstone operation located near the city of Paracatu in Brazil's Minas Gerais region. Paracatu is the largest gold mine in Brazil and one of the largest in the world. Paracatu is an open pit mine with ore processed in the mill. The mills are expected to continue processing stockpile ore until 2031. Paracatu achieved record annual production in 2019 of 619,563 ounces of gold, surpassing its record from 2018. In February 2018, Kinross acquired 2 hydroelectric power plants that are expected to lower production costs over the life of mine and provide a reliable source of sustainable low-cost power. Some statistics: ownership 100% Kinross. Mining type, it's open pit. Location is Paracatu, Brazil. Processing, it's milling, gravity. Expected life of mine until 2031. 2019 gold equivalent production was 563 ounces of gold. 2019 cost of sale was $666 per ounce. 2019 proven and probable reserves of gold, 8.60 million ounces of gold. Now let's talk about Africa operations. Africa operations produce 23% of the production. There are two operating mines in West Africa. The Tasiast mine is number one, which is an open pit location located in northwestern Mauritania, approximately 300 kilometers north of the capital Nouakchott. Tasiast processes ore via mill and dump leach. At the year-end 2019, after a full year of operation since the Phase 1 expansion was complete, Tasiast processed record annual production and record low costs of sale per ounce. Some statistics. Ownership 100% Kinross. Mining type is open pit. Location Mauritania, West Africa. Processing, milling, ship leach. Expected life of mine until 2033. 2019 gold equivalent production was 391,097 ounces of gold. 2019 cost of sale was $602 per ounce. 2019 proven and probable reserves 6.7 million ounces of gold. Hirano is an open pit and underground operation located in southwest Ghana, approximately 100 kilometers southwest of Kumasi, the country's second largest city. Hirano ore is processed at the Mills mine, which has capacity of approximately 3.5 million tons per year. Some statistics. Ownership, government of Ghana holds 10% of ownership. 90% is Kinross Gold. Mining is underground. Location Ghana, West Africa. Processing, it's milling. Expected life of mine until 2022. 2019 gold equivalent production was 201,291 ounces of gold. 2019 cost of sale was $940 per ounce. 2019 proven and probable reserves of gold were 528,000 ounces of gold. Russia's operations provide 21% of the production for Kinross Gold. There are two facilities in Russia. Kupol is the high-grade underground mine located in Chukotka, a region of Russia's Far East. It is the leading gold mine in Russia and has one of the lowest operating costs in Kinross' portfolio. Kupol's consistently strong operating results make it model for successfully operating in a remote region, with the nearest major city approximately 200 kilometers away. Supplies and equipment are transported to the mine from around mid-January to early May via 380 kilometers winter road. Kupol's mill was expanded in 2013 from 3,500 to 4,500 tons per day to process additional ore from nearby Dvoynoye mine. In January 2020, Kinross acquired the high-quality Chulabadka development project in Russia's Far East. Chukotka is expected to be a substantial open-pit chip leach mine, and a substantial drilling program is planned for 2020 with a goal of adding to resources estimates. Some statistics. Ownership 100% Kinross. Mining type underground. Location Chukotka, Autonomous Okrug, Russia. Processing, it's milling. Expected life of mine is until 2024. 2019 gold equivalent production was 527,343 ounces of gold. Include Dvojnoye facility. 2019 cost of sale was $597 per ounce of gold. 2019 proven and probable reserves of gold are 1.353 million ounces of gold. Dvojnoye is located in the Chukotka region of the Russia's Far East, approximately 100 kilometers north of the Kupol operation. Commercial production began at the underground mine on October 1st, 2013, ore from Dvojnoye is transported to the Kupol's mill for processing via all-season road, and at the peak season the company expects to process 1,200 tons of Dvojnoye ore per day. Some statistics: ownership 100% Kinross, mining type underground, location Chukotka, Autonomous Okrug, Russia, processing type is milling, expected life of mine until 2021. 2019 gold equivalent production was 527,343 ounces of gold. Includes Kupol. 2019 cost of sale was 597 ounces of gold. 2019 proven and probable reserves of gold were 336,000 of ounces of gold.
Kinross Gold is employing around 8,400 people, and it's located in Canada, in Toronto, like I said before. Trading data. Today's volume as of October 12 was 6,220,946 shares being traded. Average volume 3 months is around 16 million. Average volume 7 days is around 12 million. The price per share ranges from $2.72 to $10.32 during past 52 weeks. So the range is around 90%, and it's of course increase. It's related to increase in price of gold, of course. Valuation of the company. Market cap of the company is 11.44 billion. Enterprise value is 12.63 billion. Per earning ratio is 12.82. Price book ratio is 2.04. Let's take a look at the profitability of the company. Gross margin profit is 52.37%. EBIT margin is 29.14%. Net margin is 23.96%. Return on assets is 7.30%. Return on equity is 17.42%. Asset turnover ratio is 0.40%. Revenue of the company for past 12 months is $3.76 billion. Revenue growth is 18.83%, and net income for past 12 months is $900 million. Revenue per share is 3.00. Gross profit is 1.97 billion. Total cash of the company is 1.58 billion. Total cash per share is 1.26. Total debt of the company is $2.72 billion. Total debt to equity is 48.37%, and long-term debt is $2.67 billion.
Let's take a look at my holdings of Kinross Gold right now.
So this is my Kinross Gold holdings, and total I own 16,395 shares of Kinross Gold. I started buying shares on May 30th last year, 2019. I bought 3,140 shares for $3.18, and then in June 13, 2019, I bought 2,893 shares for $3.49, and then June 18 I bought 2,781 shares, and then June 20th I bought 2,624 shares for $3.81, and then June 26, 2019, I bought 1,302 shares for $3.84, and at the same day, I also bought 3,655 shares for $3.83. So as of right now, my unrealized gain is $90,925.35. I'm saying unrealized, and I'm stressing this because I didn't sell the shares, and I'm going to wait longer with Kinross Gold. We'll see how high it can ride. So this is it. This is my Kinross Gold holdings.
Market timing and time to sell gold stocks. Market timing generally is not recommended and usually doesn't work. But if you really want to try, there are certain factors which can help you to do it. I'll base this on my market timing techniques. Recently, I sold part of my S&P 500 index fund. I had this index fund for past 10 years. Time when I sold was when the price per share was really almost at the highest point so far at 322, 324, and I sold on August 27 and August 28, 2020. Right now the price went down to about 310 per share. The reason when I sold at this time, I felt that so many people were buying all stocks and index funds and the prices seems too high to continue to go up. And fortunately I was right. Since I sold part of my S&P 500 index fund, share price went down around 4%. The reason for selling was that I needed funds to buy some uranium stocks, energy fuels and Cameco. Exact time when I sold was based on my feelings about the market, not on any metrics and numbers. Price seemed to me artificially high, and this gave me a clue to initiate the sale. Now let's talk about selling gold stocks. It will be a similar situation. Prices of stocks will go extremely high, and this will indicate good time for sale. You may ask, how high? Look at the charts of past high prices for particular stocks. For example, for me, it is Yamana Gold. Highest price was $20. Barrick Gold, highest price was $54. Anglo Gold Ashanti, highest price was $59. And the last stock which I left intentionally is Kinross Gold. The highest price per share was $2,600. Do you think that we will see this price in the future again? I don't believe price will hit this much in the future. I don't even know the story behind this huge increase in the price of Kinross. If you have any info about why price of Kinross went to 2600 in 2008, please write this in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. One more indicator for selling gold stocks will be a mining clock. Guys who did mining clock are true pros, no question about this. I'll pay attention to what they will say about gold industry cycles. But ultimately, the decision about selling gold stocks will be based on my general feelings about the market. When I see that people are buying like crazy physical gold and gold stocks, that will be indication for good time to start selling the stocks. It will be very hard to pinpoint the best time to sell when the prices are at the highest. But at the same time, I'm looking forward to this time because it will be fascinating and very interesting to observe the market. And behind the market, you have of course people driving prices upwards or downwards. Definitely I'll post the video when I start selling my gold stocks. I own currently 4 gold stocks: Barrick, Yamana, Kinross and Anglo Gold Ashanti. When I liquidate my gold stocks, funds will go to very stable stocks like Dominion, Waste Management, Disney, Bank of America, General Dynamics, etc. And then there will be no more selling of those stocks until 2035, where is my retirement time? Woo! If I live up that long. So this is it for today's video. I just wanted to take time to thank you, all of you, for all of your comments in this channel. If you have any interesting info about companies I'm talking about right here, please share your knowledge so we all can learn together right here. I appreciate all comments, positive and negative as well. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. This will help me greatly to build this channel. So please stay healthy and well and always fight for your financial independence.